Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're here in Robinhood and we are look at dividend paying stocks. Today we're going to purchase another dividend paying stock. Today we're going to get some at&t. Now they have been making a lot of moves into 5G. They've had some good growth and let's take a look at the numbers. All right. Their dividend yield 6.9%. Which they already said they're going to slash. Okay? So, not great. But let's look at their earnings. Their earnings have varied anywhere between they were losing money. Now it looks like they're back in the green. You can see I bought on February 24th and their dividend payout was May 3rd. So, it's a good deal. Alright, you can see they're in telecommunications. They were divesting themselves of some stuff so they could focus more on the things they're good at. Alright, there's no news articles here, but we can get into that in a whole nother video. But I anticipate them, since they're focusing down, let's see what some people had to say about them. They're going to be more profitable in the future. Alright? The bears are saying supporting declining businesses like fixed line phone service creates drag on profits. Both say Warner Media holds a broad array of content rights. Yep. So at&t Wireless is the segment that is set for explosive growth. Okay, now the PE ratio is not there for some reason. Let's take a look back up here. You can see the average cost that I bought in was $29.43. Total return is not very much. Okay, so you can see there's been a bit of a drop here from the highs it was at. Let's go back 5 years. So you can see it's down extremely much from the highs that it's been. Okay, and it's been semi-stable. So I think it's a good buy. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to buy $100 worth, okay, which is about, not very many, 3.34 shares. Alright, but here is where it's going to get more interesting. Done. Build your portfolio over time. Now, I've told you guys about this before, but I'm going to demonstrate this today. So I'm going to say get started. Okay? Say start a recurring investment, $5 daily. Whew. So I'm going to say weekly investments. Okay, confirm. I'm going to say from Robinhood. Confirm. I'll pick up another account. And I'm going to say invest $5 a week. Okay? And this will be good. So I'll say review. And I'm going to stop. I can stop this at any time. But this will recur every week. And it'll be good. Alright. I'm actually going to start tomorrow. So I can view the recurring investment. Alright. Cool. So I'm now going to demonstrate the recurring investment, which I haven't done to you guys yet. Haven't really showed you. But that's on at&t. So I'm very bullish on at&t and its future. I know there's a lot of competition out there in the cellular space. they've made a lot of good moves, and I think they're in a good position. Let me know what you guys think about AT&T and the yield that they're going to give. So right now it's about 7%, and they pretty much came out and said we're going to probably cut that close to in half. So it's going to be about 3.5%, maybe 4%, which is in line with most dividend-paying stocks. So we'll see how that goes. Here's some news from The Verge 2 hours ago. Yes, time to unleash Warner Media assets. Yes, they're selling Warner Media because, yeah, like I told you guys before, they're trying to focus on their core business. Okay, so it's good. I think this is a good move for them, and I think it's going to grow their business ultimately. And I think this will be good for the future. All right, they're going to really take down all of their debt, and I think it's going to be good. Let me know what you guys think about this deal. Okay, since they acquired back in 2016, wow. I guess they're going to make some money on that deal, huh? It's a pretty good deal. Can't beat that. Alright, guys. That's all I have for today on dividend investing. Go check out my other videos on dividend investing and the magic of compound interest. Saving just $100 a month for the next 40 years can make you a millionaire by investing in dividend investing stocks, creating passive income. Earn income while you sleep. It's the best way to go. Be sure to subscribe for updates on dividend investing, passive income, and wealth building techniques to my channel. And smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm so we can get the word out there on AT&T and dividend investing and building wealth for the future. Alright guys, thanks for watching.